Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add Discord link on TikTok. After you open up your TikTok as you can see now like this one, so tap on this as you can see now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So after you tap on this profile as you can see now I open my profile like this one as you can see now. To add your Discord link on TikTok or to TikTok, now tap on this edit profile section. After you tap on this edit profile section now, tap on this section as you can see now where it says bio, tap on it. After you tap on this bio, as you can see now, already I have a link under it. As you can see now, I add a BBC News link under my TikTok account. As you can see now, here is the link. All you have to do now, go and paste in your link as you can see now in this section like this one. So after you paste in your link, just it will give you an option now to tap on this save button as you can see now. This save button will be active as you can see now. This save button will be active. So after you tap on this save button and come back like this, if you come back like this as you can see now, you can be able to see the link in this section. As you can see now, you can be able to see the link like this one on your TikTok account. So that's it guys on how to add Discord link to TikTok. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.